Hello, today we are going to see how to write lambda functions in Python. These are also called as anonymous function since we don't have a name for each function. If you see, this is how a normal function looks like in Python. If you want to convert the same function as a lambda function, we have to use the keyword lambda, and then you have to give the argument that you have to pass, and then after colon you can give the code that you would like to call when this function is executed. Now I am assigning this to a variable square function. I am assigning this function lambda function to a variable square function. Now if you want to call this lambda function, you can use this name square function. At this point both may seem very similar and you may feel like using a lambda function is useless, but when it is passed as an argument to other higher order function, it is more effective. Like in Python, functions are objects. So when you want to pass the function object to other function as an argument, in those places you can use lambda. One more thing is that only for functions that have a single line of code you can write as a lambda function. If there are multi lines, then you cannot write a function as a lambda function. To see how it is lambda functions are used as an argument in higher order functions, you can watch my next video where I have also explained how map and filter are used. You can also use more than one argument for lambda functions. For example, if you want to add two numbers, you have to give two parameters here, two arguments, and then as usual write the code after the colon. Now you can call add with two arguments. That's it. Thanks for watching.